Hello, Nellore.
Our mission, hand in hand.
My name is Coach Ananeika Gordon, and I'm the founder of Family Rebuild of New Jersey, in the great state of New Jersey in the USA. And I'm just so excited to come and share my story, to share how I was able to turn my pain into purpose. This year, sharEvery Foundation is having its second leadership conference, and I'm inviting you there.
sharEvery Global, forever we
To come hear how I turn my passion, my pain, my hurt, all into purpose. So, I'm hoping to see you in the room. Thank you.